Why? Why must I? It is green. Green is the color of the day. So I'm here at Goodwill again. And the only reason I stopped is because my daddy wants to go. He's kind of cool. Well, those lighted Santa or reindeer are gone. It was a good deal. So he's really cute. I was just looking to see, and I don't mean to pull his pants down. I want to see the price. See if we can do another $20. I don't see a year. I don't see it. It's only $4. I don't know if he works. Does he have a... He's very cute. His cap is off. Is he supposed to be holding something? I'm not sure. These are very colorful stockings. Very colorful. All right, so green is the color we're supposed to be looking for today. Little tree topper. All right, let's get our card. This is cute. He looks like he's awfully cute though. And he's green. It's half price. Where is he made? I don't know where he is made, but he's really cute and I like him. He's not broken. We're gonna put him in the cart. And what else do we have? Dance dishes. How much are they? They're 99 cents. Only 4. But I do like them. We're going to put those in the cart for now. I do well with the dance. It's really pretty. Can't see the mark on them. It's very pretty. Just blue and white. Can't read it. They have tons of bins. Oh, they have a little one. A little tiny one. Can't read them. Made in China. Top. Always looking to see if I can find a trapper keeper. Never know. Never know when you get lucky. Not seeing one. Nope. Okay. It's a cute box. The tag. $4.99. Let's see, it says $4.99, and is that from, not sure where, but it says, that's really pretty. Rachel Zoe, I like that. Some bins. A pig on an exercise. That's just too funny, right? It'd be nice if it was a bank or something, but it's non-functional. Xbox One. No idea. Harry Potter. Cute little baskets. That's a cool Hilfiger bag. Tommy Hilfiger. I'll have to look that up. It's very cool. What's that?
Hilfiger.
Yeah, it's a really cool bag. I wanna, yeah, I'm gonna look it up.
Is that leather?
Yeah, it feels it.
Wow.
Yeah,
Nice for the bag.
my daddy likes it.
Oh, yeah. That's doing good, doesn't
It looks like the same bin.
that Nancy?
I don't
That's
know.
Nancy. Nancy,
Hello.
I recognize you from the back.
You
The
do?
back of your head. I know.
Oh my
I know
gosh.
why.
Oh, that's
I
good.
said
Well,
there's Nancy.
how's your phone?
He's good.
I don't see him around anymore.
He can't farm with his legs.
Little Forever 21 bag.
So he doesn't get out.
He's a nice man.
Yeah. He's my neighbor.
Is he? Yeah. Oh, look at all the stuff on Madonna.
Oh. And the pillows.
How are you?
That's the one.
That brings the chocolate. Now I know.
I know he makes me look so bad.
He does.
He does.
You guys could be my favorites.
You know, it's funny because I had a piece of chocolate to bring and I forgot it. I know, he makes sure every time, I know. See, I'm gonna go up this way. Ooh. Next time, Nancy. I mean, Amy. Next time. Fabric. I'll have to let my friend Terry know. There's fabric here. And we're gonna check this section out. And let's see. Oh, this is cool.
I used to buy all my granddaughter's shoes and
Very pretty.
pants and stuff when they were younger, but now they don't. You know, I like shopping for pants. I don't. Yeah. Yeah. I'm always buying. You know what? I love shopping.
The kitten.
Yeah.
Oh, how much? Cool. Oh, look at this one. Hi, look at this one.
I didn't. Rebecca.
You like that? Look, I'll see what size it is.
There's another
Is
set.
that- I
There's only 3 in that set.
Medium. Yeah. This is a small. But anything that's
Make sure there's no cracks in them,
$3.99
fall apart.
it's $2. Yeah, on the clothes only. On the clothes only.
Look at this giraffe. Isn't he cute?
But you know, remember
so
you got
big.
the color of
Isn't he
the
cute?
screen. Yeah, so.
I don't know who makes him.
Oh, I've got my house all decorated.
He's
I'm
so
running
cute.
around. I'm running around
Look
with
at
my
that.
son because I gotta get some
Look at this
papers and
ball.
stuff done, help him out. So I always stop here for the beginning of the
That's pretty cool. Oh, it's a lamp. It's not a bowl.
yeah. So I will see you around.
Carousel. This big bird. Not for food use. Don't put your food in there.
I can't find names.
Oh, I donated these. They're still here. Kind of a crazy horse. All right. It's a cute little pig. China. Look at this one back here. Look at this piggy bank. How cool is that? These are some breakage on it. That one's cool. Big old hobnail. This was so pretty. But I don't think so. All right. I'm not seeing anything else. Let's move on. Oop. I'll take my cart.
Well, that's your cart?
That is.
The one I was blocking, sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine. Again, all the Halloween stuff. Would I ever find one of those?
So I can't have matching. I super don't want to.
Christmas. Sarah found the other day, she found a beautiful, brand new cashmere sweater. Not really seeing any shoes or clothes that I need.
Look at the length. Yeah, look at the length. It's really long, so you know, because it has 2 mirrors. It's really long. This is perfect. Oh my God, that is nice. Is that reversible or just the back? Yeah, it's reversible. I could do both sides. Wow, summer, that's winter. For you. That's for you. Yes, this has
These are safety shoes. These are interesting. Let's see a price on them. I think that's a good brand. I'm gonna have to look it up. Be right back.